Why are you asking when we are trying to show our dharma? We have to be proud of it. This is our land.
Sure, we are proud.
This is
Yeah,
our...
yeah,
No,
sure.
ma'am.
Give it up for Karthik Gattam Neni Saab, ladies and gentlemen. The director who's done this. And how have you done this? This is phenomenal. Thank you so much for being here. You know, being in front of all these lovely people, and of course, Karan sir, Apurva sir, being here with us. What do you have to say? First things first, sir.
First of all, thank you so much. Thank you for all the media people coming here. And I'm not used to stages much, but sir, thank you. Thank you so much, sir. Karan sir and Apurva sir backing this film. And this film, as we have suggested in the trailer, as I've said before as well, so it is the experience of, and experience the power of Brahma, and is what we've said. So that has happened in my life while trying to do this film. So because Vishwa sir coming and aligning for this film and taking this forward is something I cannot say enough thanks to, sir. Thank you so much. And Teju for all the commitment for 2.5, 3 years, going to all those places and being with the film. Thank you so much. That's all I can say now. Thank you.
You were awesome, sir. Sir ke liye ek baar zordar taaliyan ho jaye. Please tell us, sir, what made you say that this is what I want to present to the audiences, to the cine lovers, and blending the itihas, the present, it's very contemporary, and at the same time, you know, it's very futuristic. Talk to us about that, please.
Itihasas, I've tried to put up everything that I've seen or listened from my childhood days, like all my grandmom stories, all of them have been incorporated into the films. Just that we gave a little nice touch to it in terms of modern filmmaking techniques. That's all I can say.
Already in love with whatever we've seen, sir. Thank you so much. Karthik sir ke liye ek baar zordar taaliyan ho jaye. Now I'd like to invite on stage some... I won't let you go, sir. You have to be here with us. Okay, so now it's time to invite on stage, as I said, he's a visionary, making sure that Indian cinema goes global, and how TG Vishwa Prasad Saab, please aye, People Media Factory se, a people's person, I would say, of course. Welcome, sir. Thank you so much. And whenever I see you, sir, you know, we were just talking about the fact that you flew us all down to Hyderabad, showed us those massive sets of Raja Saab. Thank you so much for that also. We have to talk about that. Lekin, abhi coming back to this film, sir, associating with Karan sir, who is a rock star, I would say. You know, filmmaking ke rock star hai wo. Apurva sir and Dharma Productions, for this particular film, it brings in a lot of credibility. Talk to us about that, sir.
First, I want to thank all the media. And some of them have come to Hyderabad and visited us, and
Yes.
coming and supporting here, I really thank you. Sir, Karan sir, I moved to US about 30 years back, very detached with Indian cinema. Like, I've grown up watching movies all my kids' days, school, college, even between my engineering exams, we used to watch movies. So we got detached once I went to US. There's very few movies comes to theater. Thanks to you, your movies made big and started releasing worldwide. So we connected back through you.
Wow. Wow, sir.
So I'm very honored to collaborate with you today. And Apurva, thanks a lot for giving this opportunity. And coming to Mirai. So I run a tech business, so I do well in my business. So movies is always a passion, and we want to do something different. So when I started Mirai, like Karthik briefed about like what we want to do, and I truly see a Mirai franchise can take us pan-global cinema. Yeah. So I initially started doing a very small independent movies in America, and then started my journey. So, and this we started much before we started a Raja Saab, and with Karthik I worked in US. I partly produced a movie called Ninukori, which was a very successful movie back in 2017, where Karthik was the DOP. From then I think we collaborated 7 or 8 movies, including one movie he directed for us. And this we started much before Hanuman was released. So we truly believed in this movie. So it will be adventurous. It will have all fiction, supernatural elements and ends with a great spiritual thing. So, and we filmed in many locations, including Mumbai. The Ashoka episode or the vibe song and one surprise element you'll see that was filmed in Mumbai. And this movie also gave us an extraordinary opportunity to do 95% of the VFX work that you could see in the movie that I could compare with any standards of some of the outsourcing work I've done to Hollywood studios. And we look forward that this movie will make us all proud. And so thank you all.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, Vishwa, sir. Thank you so much. 12th of this month is when we'll get to watch the movie in theaters. Now I'd like to invite on stage someone. Ladies and gentlemen, when we say Indian cinema is like a celebration, a big celebration that we all love, right? It's an experience, it's an emotion. This man has given us, I don't know how many reasons to celebrate. He's an ace filmmaker, a producer, a writer. He's this rock star, as I call him. Give it up for Mr. Karan Johar, ladies and gentlemen. We got to make some more noise for him, of course. Welcome, Karan sir. Thank you so much for being here. And before I shoot my question, what would you like to say to all the lovely people here?
Firstly, thank you so much to members of the media for being here with us and always being so supportive to everything that we've ever put out. This is a tremendous honor for me to be on this platform. My journey with the spectacular cinema from the South started with Rajamouli sir, with Bahubali in 2013. And I believe that Bahubali not just changed cinema in the global landscape, but also brought out the outstanding cinema that comes from Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam and Kannada into homes and hearts of North India as well. And we are honored that we began this journey with the legendary Rajamouli sir. Today, and subsequently, we worked with Shankar sir and worked with Rana on Ghazi Attack and several other films. But today, I'm deeply, deeply privileged, humbled and honored to be able to present Mirai. And firstly, my congratulations to you, Vishwa sir, because I know your tremendous passion is what brought you here. You are in a very lucrative business of your own, and it's only we all know that, as they say ना हमारी फिल्मों में कि नाम बड़ा दर्शन छोटा होता है actually, कि नाम बड़ा होता है लेकिन eventually जब आप इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट से बात करते हो और आप कॉर्पोरेशन से बात करते हो तो जिस तरह के पैसे वो कमाते हैं और जब वो हमारे P&L पे जाते हैं और नंबर सुनते हैं तो उनको लगता है कि आप लोग इतनी मेहनत करते हो, काम करते हो, आपका नाम विश्व भर में मशहूर है और ये है आपका प्रॉफिट, इतने पैसे बनाए आपने और इतना काम आप इसीलिए करते हो। फिर मेरा जवाब यही होता है कि हमारे काम में हम नंबर्स नहीं देखते, हम धड़कन सुनते हैं हर फिल्म की।
बात है सर।
हम दिमाग के साथ हमने कभी फिल्म नहीं बनाई, दिल से बनाई है और इसलिए विश्व सर का जो पैशन है वो वाकई काबिल तारीफ है। वो इस मकाम तक पहुंचे हैं क्योंकि वाकई उन्होंने सिनेमा को कंट्रीब्यूट करना चाहा और उसके लिए आपको तहे दिल से शुक्रिया। वी आर वेरी ग्रेटफुल टू यू सर फॉर बीइंग अस एंड बीइंग विद अस टुडे एंड गिविंग अस दिस मैसिव मैग्नेटिक एंड मैग्निफिसेंट अपॉर्चुनिटी ऑफ प्रेजेंटिंग Mirai to the world. Karthik, what do I say to you? I really believe, when I met Karthik, I thought he was 21 years old. And I couldn't believe that he's the same director who's given us a massive success before this with Karthikeya 2. And now when I saw the vision of Mirai, and he's been an immensely successful cinematographer, but for him to come out and put his heart into this Brahmand, into this Itihas, into the world of Mirai, which is the beginning of many, many more to follow. And what is even more credible, that the kind of work in the VFX component that has been put into this film with limited resources has been come out of India. All of this has worked out of technicians and collaborators in Hyderabad who have done this. And of course, the budget is tight, but the vision was large. The dream was large. And what you see, we've heard budgets of films that go into 300s and 400s and 500s. None of us here on this platform will tom about the budget. But the vision is 1,000 crores. The vision has a budget of its own. It's got nothing to do with money spent. It's to do with the energy that everyone has put into this film. I have, before we call the boy himself, another boy, and I feel I'm in some youth conference here right now. I just want to thank everyone from Bhumika and her team for introducing us to the team of Mirai, and to Apurva, who has been such a huge energy at Dharma Productions from the very onset, and I wouldn't have been able to do anything without him. Mirai is the beginning of, hopefully, sir, many collaborations between us. And I have always worked magically with filmmakers from the South. I've been very successful, and I think they are lucky for me. I'm not just lucky for them. Every time my name has been attached to a film, we've met with massive success. Well, besides one. But mostly our success rate has been hugely and immense. And I know with a fact, और डंके की चोट पे मैं कहना चाहूँगा, मैं जानता हूँ, जब आप मेरा देखोगे, आप दंग रह जाओगे. Namaskar, shukriya, and thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Let's hear it from Mr. Karan Johar one more time, ladies and gentlemen. Karan sir, a quick question. Mirai से जुड़ा वो ये है कि you've always focused on family values. You know, आपने families और उनका वो जो एक connect होता है वो हमेशा से अपनी फिल्मों में दिखाया है. Was that the reason और साथ में वो इतिहास जो आपको लगा कि you know we have to back this film because इतिहास का जो ये रूप है, the way it is being presented in Mirai is something that we've never seen before.
आई एम अ ह्यूज फैन जब हम दो दुनिया का मिश्रण करते हैं. ब्रह्मास्त्र में भी हमारी कोशिश ये रही थी टू मेक अ फिल्म दैट एक्चुअली इज अ मॉडर्न टेल विच इज डीपली रूटेड in ancient civilization stories and in stories of our scriptures, and we began that journey with Brahmastra. So when I saw the world of Mirai, I was blown over, not just because it's deeply rooted in our itihas, but it's deeply rooted in its storytelling. जिस तरह ये आप जब देखोगे तो identifiable कहानी है. आज इसके लड़के में जो पला बड़ा है वाराणसी में, और वहाँ से उनका जो सफ़र शुरू होता है, और फिर उसकी दुनिया में उसका जो inherent power है, उसे पता भी नहीं उसकी एक्सटेंट क्या है of being a super योद्धा, and his coming of age and what you see through that journey. और मैं कुछ ज्यादा कहूंगा नहीं, लेकिन वो इंटरवल ब्लॉक जब मैंने देखा तो मैं खुद खड़ा हो गया. मैं बोले ये हो क्या रहा है भैया, ये हमसे कब होगा? हाँ.
आपसे ही हो रहा है सर, आपने इससे पहले भी किया, आई एम श्योर वापस करेंगे.
इसे क्या कहते हैं, इसे चांस पे डांस होता है ना, कि किसी और ने मेहनत की और हम एंड में आके अपना नाम डाल दिया हमने. ये हमारी मेहनत नहीं है, इनकी जोश जुनून और लगन का असर है.
That's Karan Johar for you, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, with all that passion, वो देख रहे हो आंख में चमक while he's talking about this story. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to invite on stage that one person who's made it all possible. Of course, his team के support के साथ, the very handsome, the very young, and the superstar. Sir, superstar का tag लग गया. Give it up for Teja Sarja, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, the superhero, I would say, super yodha at this time. Welcome back to Amchi, Mumbai.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. First of all, thanks to all the media who have come here to encourage us. Every time I'm in front of, sorry. Every time I'm in front of North media, I'm actually a little nervous. I don't know why. But this time मैंने करण सर को लेकर आया हूँ. So I think I have a lot of confidence to talk a lot today. It's a very special film for me. We've put in a lot of hard work. I think everybody says this, but this time you can see our hard work over here. मैंने कुछ speech prepare नहीं किया है आज. I just want to talk दिल खोल के. That's what I want to do. First of all, for this film to happen, from the inception, the seed, the main man is Karthik Ghattamneni. He doesn't talk much. He's a little. I'm nervous. He's shy and nervous both together. Okay, so he's extremely, supremely talented, and just because of his vision, in whatever resources we had, we were able to deliver this kind of product just because of his vision and his experience towards filmmaking. There might be limitations, there might be obstacles, but our dreams weren't small. We have very big dreams. We want to look like the biggest Indian film out there. For that, we have put in a lot of effort. For that, we need a pillar of support, that is our Vishwa sir. He has believed in us from day one. He stood by us in all obstacles or all this 2 years journey. He's a very busy man. He's been making many films, but still he was just a phone call away whenever we needed him, just not by investing money. He was always there as an emotional support, as emotional anchor, and also in all possible ways he was there for us. And then today, to bring this film to you all, Karan sir standing beside us, it means a lot to us. So thanks, Karan sir. You're very kind. We're very thankful to you. As you rightly said, Rajmouli sir has carved this way for us into the national audience. Prabhas sir, Rajmouli sir, Tarakana, Chernana, all of them have put in a lot of effort. They have sacrificed prime time of their careers. They have sacrificed their health to carve a way into the national audience, and we are just riding after them on the road that they have carved. And you have been an integral part in that, bringing South cinema to the national audience. And I'm pretty sure in the coming days, after Rajmouli sir's next film, after Kantara 2, after Kalki 2, I think we are going to release our films internationally, along with international films with international standards. And today, it's a lot of responsibility for us when Karan sir's name is attached. He has believed in us. We have a lot of responsibility. I hope we deliver it right. I hope you all welcome us with open arms and bless us so that we get you more and more films and try to make more ambitious films. Yeah, as I said, okay, I don't want to make everybody stand for a long time, but September 12th, Mira is coming in theaters. It's going to be an action adventure. There'll be a lot of fantasy, action, adventure, great music. We will give you great high, and also great morals from our itihasas will be there in this film. We will be delivering something big. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Give it up for him, ladies and gentlemen, one more time. Before we go आगे, एक छोटी सी चीज आपसे पूछना चाहूँगा, and that is regarding our itihas. You just named a couple of movies, जिसमें इतिहास की बात हो रही है. With you also, right after Hanuman, a lot of people thought कि कहीं ना कहीं आप वो एक अलग तरह की commercial film करेंगे, कुछ अलग करेंगे, but you've been there for इतिहास के साथ लगे हुए हैं आप. So मुझे बताइए, कुछ लोग कहते हैं थोड़ा अनकूल सा होता है when you talk about धर्म, इतिहास, but with you it's something else.
Sir, I think it's our responsibility. We are born in this land. It's rich of our culture, and there's a lot of history. There are a lot of morals. There are great people who have lived on this land with great morals. I think it's our responsibility to tell that to the next generation audience. But we are making a commercial film. We are making something really cool, and yet we are trying to tell this in those films. Yeah.
The way जो treatment है इस film का, I think that says it all. इस team के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं. And now I'd like to invite on stage someone जो ज़्यादा बात नहीं करते हैं, लेकिन जिस तरह से वो business को समझते हैं, audiences की pulse को समझते हैं, that is phenomenal. Give it up for Mr. Apurva Mehta, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome, sir. Thank you so much for being here, sir. So good to see you. Apurva sir, सिर्फ एक चीज मैं जानना चाहूंगा. When we talk about these partnerships, we talk about Bahubali, and now we're talking about Mirai. What is it that you feel you all are there, and especially as Dharma Productions, to give to the audiences? How important is this collaboration, and how important is it going to be for all the cine lovers out there?
So I think we're really fortunate that we've had this opportunity thanks to Karan with Bahubali. And, when you see the visuals of Mirai, you'll understand that it's such a stunningly mounted film. The vision of the producers at People Media Pictures, and of course the passion of the team who's made Mirai is actually remarkable. And we feel so honored and lucky. And thank you so much, sir, for giving us this opportunity to present this film. We really, it's wonderful to see so much magic, and we genuinely believe this is a film that can travel and connect with audiences across the country. So very thankful for this opportunity.
Thank you so much, sir. इस टीम के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं, and we'll do a quick picture with this entire team here. We'll quickly get the chairs. We'll set the stage up for this media Q&A. हमारी जो बातचीत आप सबके साथ होने वाली है. And before that, तेजा सर, अभी तक लोग उस बात की बात कर रहे हैं. Because last time also I asked you कि मतलब beefed up सुपर हीरोज हमने देखे हुए हैं. But here, you know, एक इंसान आता है जो कि बड़ा बॉय नेक्स्ट डोर टाइप का है और वो कमाल कर जाता है हनुमान के साथ. इस समय भी ऐसे कुछ सुनने को मिला? Because with all this action.
Sir, last time also I told you one thing. जब भगवान का कृपा हम पर है, चींटी भी पहाड़ बनते हैं. हम तो इंसान हैं, तो
ये पहाड़ ऐसे ही रहने वाला है. वो रॉक सॉलिड बोलते हैं ना, तो ऐसे ही रहने वाला है. Yes, can we quickly get the chairs, please? Thank you. Gentlemen. Okay, so where are we getting the first question from?
First question here. Hey guys, Shravan here on your left. Love the trailer. Congratulations to the entire team. I have two questions, one to Karan and one to Karthik. I'm going to begin with Karan first. Karan, you just spoke about Bahubali. Okay, it's been over a decade you've been supporting films from the South. Is there ever a fear that, hey, what if this film or this project does not fly?
Sorry?
Is there ever a fear when you pick a film that, hey, what if this project does not fly?
But that risk, Shravan, is with any feature film that you make. Like I said right at the top of this conversation, that we're here to be passionate. We sell stories. We want to kind of move, the needle where it comes to pushing Indian cinema and taking it to the global arenas of cinematic audiences. The thing is, if anyone ever focuses on just the result, we'll never be able to create. I think the greatest films made in the world have always started with a great idea, with passion, with conviction, and then execution. The rest is really left up to the audiences. I have never ever made a feature film with a number in my mind, okay, this is my target, this is what I want. Because every time you have done that, that film has failed. Because those are projects, those are not films. And Mirai is a bona fide motion picture. It's made from the strength of its conviction, it's made from the strength of its passion, and really there's never an end result to passion. Passion is limitless.
Makes sense. Also, whenever you don a director's hat, we as audience, we love to see that. Okay. Do we see you diving into the world of our history, our ancient scriptures?
Well, absolutely, and it's been, in fact, I was on the onset of making a feature film that was period historical, and then for various circumstances, including the pandemic, there was a stop on that film. I had researched that film for 2.5 years and wrote that film. Sumit Roy, the screenplay, wrote it, and like it was just very heartbreaking when I couldn't make it at that time. So I did dabble. I think film का एक वक्त होता है, और एक नसीब भी होती है कि when you can tell that story. So hopefully, in my trajectory, I'm still very young.
Absolutely.
That was a joke. But eventually, maybe in my trajectory, there will be such a film. Though I firmly believe the kind of, I think, technical finesse, the kind of passion to tell a story of this magnitude is something I'm not even sure I'm capable of. When I see filmmakers like Karthik tell these stories, I feel like I'm a student more than a filmmaker, and I'm learning. Wow. So when I watch the brilliance of Bahubali, and when I see the passion and conviction of Mirai, to me, I'm like, I don't know if I'm capable, and it's always better to kind of acknowledge your weaknesses and not pretend it's your strength. This may not be my strength, but it's definitely this young lad's strength.
More power to you. Karthik, coming to you, the VFX of the film looks great. And I know for a fact that when you plan a film like this, there's a lot of time that goes in pre-production of the film. What was the pre-production time that you took for Mirai?
It was 2 years plus. So mostly I think it is more to go with the writing, because it's good now. Yeah, I think most of the VFX comes from the writing. So, writing took 2 years. While the writing was happening, the prep was also happening. So, came from there. So,
Thank you so much, guys.
Hi, my
Hi.
question's for Apurva. Hi, here. Hi, this is Alice Cara Peter from Mamarazzi. My question is for Apurva. We just heard Karan speak at length about Mirai and how excited he is for this project. Just want to know from you, what is this one factor that got you excited about Mirai?
You know, we are very, very excited because you see how amazing the visuals are. I mean, it's not every day you get to see a film that mixes mythology, future, plus performances, plus scale. So it's so amazingly made. I mean, for us, what really excited us that we really believe this is the kind of film that can connect it with audiences across the country. It's not only the South, but also the North. And I think it's, from what you've seen, and you will agree with me, that this is an experience that has to be seen in the big screen. And we are again very, very thankful to them for giving us this opportunity to bring this film to the Hindi audiences.
Thank you.
Hi Karan sir, Harshita this side from Bollywood Bubble.
Hi,
This
Harshita.
side. तो मेरा सवाल है आपसे, अगर इतिहास की बात हो रही है, साहित्य की बात हो रही है और पुराणों की बात हो रही है, शास्त्र की बात हो रही है, तो सर आप कितना जुड़े हुए हैं हमारे पौराणिक इतिहास से और आप कितनी रिसर्च करते हैं इस चीज़ की?
देखिए, हम इस देश में पले बड़े हैं और स्कूल से हम अपने पुराणों, वेदाओं, पापा से कहानियाँ सुनते आ रहे हैं। मेरी दादी जो थी, जो दिल्ली में रहती थी, जब मैं वहाँ दिल्ली जाता था समर वेकेशन के लिए, तो हर वक्त वो रामायण से बहुत अटैच थी और रोज़ बहुत सारी ऐसी कहानियाँ सुनते आ रहा हूँ बचपन से। फिर पापा जो थे, उनको बहुत, बिकॉज उनकी माँ ऐसी थी तो उनकी जानकारी बहुत ही वास्ट थी, तो बचपन से ये कहानियाँ सुनते आ रहा हूँ। और हम वो जनरेशन में पले बड़े हैं जहाँ अमर चित्र कथा हमारे लिए बहुत मायने रखता था और हम ये रोज पढ़ते थे। तब मैं वो बच्चा तो था भी नहीं, क्योंकि मैं इतने सिनेमा से जुड़ा हुआ था, तो मैं अपने सिनेमा कि इतिहास का ही नहीं, हमारे कल्चरल एस्पेक्ट का जो इतिहास है उससे भी बहुत जुड़ा हुआ था। तो वाइल बच्चे वो कॉमिक्स पढ़ रहे थे, चाहे वो टिंटिन हो, आर्चीज हो, या मैं एक्चुअली अमर चित्र कथा पढ़ता था, तो मैं हमेशा बहुत ही इंट्रिग था। हमारे जो 5000 साल पहले जो हुआ है हमारे इतिहास में, इतनी डीपली रूटेड कहानियां हैं, जो कहानियां जो आप जो आज भी जो वैल्यू सिस्टम इन कहानियां का है, आज भी हम ये प्रयास करते हैं कि वो जो वैल्यू सिस्टम है वो आज भी हम इस पल हमारी जिंदगी में हम वो अपना पाए। तो बहुत ही करीबी से मैं जुड़ा रहा हूँ, इसलिए खुद हमने कम ऐसी कहानियां बनाई हैं धर्मा प्रोडक्शंस में, लेकिन जब भी हमारे यहाँ हमारी कंपनी पे वो मौका मिल जाता है तो हम बहुत गर्व के साथ वो फिल्म को पेश करना चाहते हैं।
जी, मेरा इसी से कनेक्टेड सवाल है।
जी।
अगर इस फिल्म की बात करें तो इसका जो सब्जेक्ट है हिस्टोरिकल है, माइथोलॉजिकल, और उसको बहुत अच्छे से ब्लेंड किया है फैंटेसी में। तो फिल्म की कहानी अपने आप में दमदार है और सब कह रहे हैं कि वैश्विक रूप में ये बहुत कमाल धमाल मचाएगी फिल्म। लेकिन आपकी जो जिम्मेदारी है वो पैन इंडिया यानी पूरे देश भर में भी बहुत ज्यादा मायने रखती है। तो इस फिल्म की कहानी, इसका डायरेक्शन, ये ज्यादा आपको लगता है कि लोगों को इम्प्रेस करेगा, या फिर तेजा जो पहले ही बहुत ज्यादा फेमस हो गए हैं हनुमान जैसी फिल्मों के चलते, तो कौन सा फैक्टर आपके लिए लगता है कि ज्यादा इम्पैक्ट डालेगा फिल्म के लिए?
देखिए, मैं एक्चुअली तेजा का काम हम देख चुके हैं हनुमान में, और जिस तरह का काम उन्होंने किया है देश भर विदेश भर में उनको बहुत लोगों ने सराहा है और उनकी पहचान अभी दूर दूर तक जा चुकी है। लेकिन इतना मैं बस कहना चाहूँगा कि मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ हमारे देश में बहुत सुपरस्टार्स हैं। तेजा इज सच अ मैसिव मूवी स्टार और इतनी इज्जत पा चुके हैं, इतना प्यार पा चुके हैं। लेकिन मेरा हमेशा मैं कहता हूँ, चाहे वो निर्देशक हो, निर्माता हो या सुपरस्टार हो, सबसे आगे फिल्म होती है, सबसे आगे कहानी होती है। तो वो कहानी ही है जो एक्चुअली ऑडियंस से कनेक्ट होती है। हमने देखा है हमारे सिनेमा में अभी इस साल दो नए उभरते सितारों ने इस साल की सबसे बड़ी हिट दी है हिंदी में, सैयारा में। वो सुपरस्टार्स नहीं थे, अभी सुपरस्टार्स बन गए हैं। लेकिन उस फिल्म की जो ओपनिंग लगी तो मुझे पता चला कि फिल्म सबसे आगे है, फिल्म सबसे आगे है। और उसके बाद नरसिम्हा महाअवतार रिलीज हुई, उसमें भी आपने देखा कि जिस तरह ऑडियंसेस ने उस फिल्म को वो बॉक्स ऑफिस का बिजनेस दिया है, इट्स ऑलवेज द फीचर फिल्म। स्टार्स जो हैं, हम सब स्टार्स से मोहब्बत करते हैं, प्यार करते हैं और तहे दिल से इज्जत करते हैं, क्योंकि वो बहुत मेहनत करते हैं और तेजा ने बहुत मेहनत की है, वाकई बहुत दिल और दिमाग और पैशन लगा के ये फिल्म। और मुझे सबसे इस गर्व है कि वो एक्टर नहीं है जो फिल्म के बाद फिल्म वो कर रहा है, वो बस 2-3 साल लगा हुआ है हर फिल्म में। दैट मींस पैशन सुपरसीड्स एवरीथिंग एल्स। तो दोनों एस्पेक्ट्स का मैम मिश्रण भी होता है, एक इनका स्टारडम, इनकी पैशन, और फिल्म कार्तिक का विजन, और ये फिल्म और विश्वा सर का बैकिंग। आई थिंक दिस इज अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ एवरीथिंग।
तेजा सर, सेम हर्षिता फ्रॉम बॉलीवुड डबल दिस साइड। सर मैं आपसे जानना चाहूंगी कि आपने पहले हनुमाना मूवी करी, अब राम जी का भी हमें यहाँ पे दिख रहा है, तो क्या आप धार्मिक चीज़ों से ज़्यादा जुड़े हुए हैं या आपके लिए यही एक चित्त आपका लगा हुआ है धार्मिक मूवियों की तरफ?
I think definitely I'm connected to Itihasas, not just me. All of us who have all of us over here are connected to Itihasas, not just in Hanuman and Mirai. My previous films also, if you watch, they have a little bit of our Itihasas connection to it. Whenever there is a chance, yeah, I try to, we are very excited and happy, and we take pride in it to bring out that element in our films. Yeah.
Hello. Hi, Mr. Director. I mean Karthik. I'm very curious about this कि मिराई का मतलब क्या है?
Mirai actually means future, but we gave it a very fictional sound to it. It has a different meaning in the film, so you'll see the context of it. So
I'm
just
not
see the film.
mistaken. I think this is your third film, right?
Yes.
And फिर आप फ्यूचर कहाँ देखते हो अपना? हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में या टॉलीवुड में ही रहना पसंद
Oh,
करेंगे?
I have no idea. I would just want to make films, wherever it is.
Thank you.
हाय, मैं दीपेश पांडे, दैनिक जागरण से। मेरा क्वेश्चन तेजा आपसे रहेगा।
सर बताइए।
बीइंग एक्टर, जब आप किसी फिल्म के लिए किसी फिल्म को करते हैं तो उसकी आपकी पर्सनल प्रिपरेशन भी होती है। लाइक इससे पहले जब आपने हनुमान किया तो उसमें भी हनुमान जी के बारे में या उनकी शक्तियों के बारे में काफ़ी प्रिपरेशन रही होगी, और यहाँ कहानी भगवान राम से जुड़ती है, उनके और कुछ 9 शास्त्रों से, जो 9 शास्त्र लिखे गए थे उनसे जुड़ती है। तो उन चीज़ों के बारे में मैं जानना चाहूँगा कि आपकी अपनी पर्सनल रिसर्च क्या रही, किन चीज़ों के बारे में आपने पढ़ा, देखा और जाना।
So this film is predominantly an action adventure. It has a lot of fantasy, emotion, and it's about a boy's journey who starts off from nowhere and realizes his dharma and how he stops a catastrophe from happening. That is the film about. So there was not much need about research, and I don't need to do any research about, if you're referring to our dharmas, I don't need to do any research about it. We grew up on it and we all know about it.
सेकेंड सवाल करण सर मेरा आपसे रहेगा। अभी आपने कहा कि आपने ट्रेलर देखने के बाद आपने कहा कि ना जाने ऐसी फिल्में हम कब बनाएंगे, एंड आप तो उस पोजीशन में हैं, और मेरा सवाल वही सवाल आपसे है कि ना जाने ऐसी फिल्में हम कब बनाएंगे, वो आपका जवाब इस पर क्या रहेगा?
हाँ,
ये film, as much as it's ours, now it is Karan sir's also. So this is your, you all own this film. You have welcomed me per Hanuman with your open arms. So this is for all the Hindi audience out there. We take Hindi language release very seriously. It not only about the dubbing, we also make sure that it feels like an authentic Hindi film. And so we are promoting here, and Karan sir is here because of our sincerity towards Hindi language. So it is your film also. It's not a film just coming from South.
करण सर आपको जोड़ना चाहेंगे इसमें?
बोल दिया, कह दिया ना, बस कह दिया।
Sir, why are people trying to put you in spots, sir?
No, they always, that's what you said in the beginning. You're scared. You're always worried about the media, and now you know why we have to worry. No, but they're always very kind. They're always very kind, and I feel like like जैसे आपने कहा कि of course it's our ambition to make feature films like this and what we call like quintessential tentpole films that have something interesting and exciting, that dabble into the world of our civilization, our deep-rooted culture. Our endeavor with Brahmastra was that, and we hope to make several films in that zone, and we are producing several films, and we hopefully will have multitude of filmmakers like Karthik in Hindi cinema as well, who will put their hearts and heads online just to tell a story.
Hello, this is Rijita from Filmfare. Hi. My question is for the director and the producer. First of all, congratulations, the trailer looks amazing. So what was the most challenging part for you, the storytelling part of it or the technical aspect of it? Because mounting something like this is not easy.
So for us, it was never an exhausting thing because we always felt we were driven towards it from the beginning. So we never felt that exhaustion. Just this last 10 days is where we're feeling that exhaustion, just maybe because of the anxiety of how it will reach. That's all.
Yeah. So typically, you can say challenge is an opportunity. So we, like I said, we want to make a pan-global franchise with Mirai. Again, we are ambitious and concerned with the resources. So to make like the pan-global, you call the movies in the scale of Avatar, which are done in billions of dollars. So yeah, definitely we cannot have the resources like that. So then comes like, how do you work on it? So then comes the teamwork and the director's vision, significant commitment from various actors, several technicians, different phases of the project. We ran through the COVID period too. So, and then how do we present film to the audience? So we feel we did quite well, and we hope everyone will receive it well, and we can see the success. Thank you.
Hello, sir. This side. हेलो सर दिस साइड करण। मेरा नाम शाहिद है फ्रॉम सिट सिनेमा। सबसे पहले ट्रेलर लुक्स गुड अमेजिंग, मतलब बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है सर ट्रेलर विजुअली वाइज। इससे पहले तेजा साजा सर ने फिल्म की थी हनुमान, आई थिंक 2024 12 जनवरी को रिलीज़ हुई थी वो, और मैंने फर्स्ट शो गेटी गैलेक्सी में देखा था, और काफ़ी अच्छा, मतलब कम बजट में एक अच्छा सिनेमा था। तो वैसा ही ये होगा या फिर उससे कुछ अलग हटके इसके अंदर आपने ट्राई किया है? जी।
पैशन वही है सर।
ओके।
हार्ड वर्क वही है, एफर्ट वही है। वैसे ही हमारे लिमिटेशंस से बाहर आके हमें बहुत बड़ा करने के लिए कोशिश किया, बहुत बड़ा दिखने के लिए आप सबको कोशिश किया। वी हैव पुट इन अ लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट। आई डोंट वांट टू कंपेयर एनी फिल्म विद अनदर फिल्म, but all I can say is Mira is going to be an experience for you all. As you said, please go to theatre again in Galaxy on September 12th. वो Jan 12th था, ये September 12th है। इस बार भी आप जाओ, आपको एक एक्सपीरियंस मिलेगा, लेकिन इस बार आपका घर का पूरा फैमिली को लेके जाओ सर। We've made a very clean film. आप पूरा फैमिली को, आपका बच्चे लोगों को, पेरेंट्स को बहुत अच्छा लगेगा।
मेरा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन करण सर से एंड डायरेक्टर सर से भी है। जिस तरह से करण सर ने बाहुबली को प्रेजेंट किया था यहाँ पे, लक्ष्य सर को किल में प्रेजेंट किया, न्यू कमर्स को ज़्यादा चांस देने के लिए जाने जाते हैं करण सर। तो अभी हमारी इंडियन फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में सर ऐसा क्या हो गया, लाइक बॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री में, कि बड़े बड़े बजट्स की फिल्म बन रही है, बट बॉक्स ऑफिस पे रिसेंट टाइम पर सबने देखा है कि कलेक्शन कैसा निकल कर आ रहा है। तो क्या लगता है ऐसी फिल्में जो कम बजट में प्रेजेंट हो रही है और लोगों को अट्रैक्ट कर रही है थिएटर की तरफ? हमने रिसेंट टाइम पर बहुत सारी फिल्में देखी, सैयारा देखी, उसके बाद जो महाअवतार नरसिम्हा आई, अब ये भी कहीं ना कहीं विजुअली वाइज अच्छी दिख रही है। तो क्या लगता है प्रोडक्शन वैल्यू ज़्यादा हो रहा है या फिर एक्टर्स की फीस ज़्यादा हो रही है, जहाँ पर बजट बढ़ रहा है बट फिल्में नहीं चल पा रही?
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है सर, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। हर फिल्म की अपनी नसीब होती है, हर फिल्म की अपनी कहानी होती है। ऐसा बहुत बार ये भी हुआ है कि बहुत बड़े स्टार्स हैं और बहुत बड़े एक्टर्स हैं और वो फिल्म बहुत चली भी है। तो ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है, और ऐसा सारे एक्टर्स अब समझने लगे हैं कि दे हैव टू कंट्रीब्यूट टू द फिल्म्स विजन, और वो अपना डील सेपरेटली कर रहे हैं। एवरीबडी इज बिकम अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ आवर टाइम्स। तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि हम एक बॉक्स में नहीं डाल सकते कि अच्छा आपने यंग एक्टर्स को लिया और आपका विजन बड़ा है तो वो फिल्म चलेगी। ऐसे ऐसे बहुत बार हुआ है कि वो फिल्म भी नहीं चली है, और ऐसा बहुत बार हुआ कि आपने सुपरस्टार्स को लिया है, विजन बड़ा है, वो फिल्म बहुत चली है। तो ऐसा कुछ कह नहीं सकते। हर दौर होता है, हर फिल्म होती है, हर एक्सपीरियंस अलग होता है। हमने कितने सारी ऐसी फिल्में देखी हैं साल में जो वाकई हमारी नैरेटिव को चेंज करती रहती है। अभी बहुत सारी फिल्में न्यू कमर्स के साथ आएंगी जो म्यूजिकल्स होंगी। ऐसा नहीं है कि वो सब फिल्में सैयारा बन जाएंगी, ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है। ऐसे बहुत सारे एनिमेशन फिल्म आएंगी। ऐसा ये भी नहीं है कि वो सारा नरसिम्हा महाअवतार रिजल्ट होगी। ऐसा कुछ रूल नहीं होता। बॉक्स ऑफिस has no rules. You have to create stories, tell different stories, and then the film becomes like Teja said, ये फिल्म आपकी है। आप तय करेंगे कि ये पिक्चर को आपको बिजनेस देनी है, प्यार देना है, बहुत सारी इज्जत देनी है। ये बाकी सारा audiences, as they say, consumer is king, for us audience is God. They will decide.
He said it, ladies and gentlemen. We'll take 2 more questions, okay? So
हेलो
कहाँ से आ रहे हैं? जी।
विश्व सर, अगेन दीपेश दिस साइड। क्वेश्चन आपसे रहेगा, क्योंकि नॉर्मली जब हम माइथोलॉजिकल या हिस्टोरिकल फिल्में बनाने जाते हैं तो एक दिमाग में ख्याल आता है कि इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा बजट, बहुत ज़्यादा पैसे लगेंगे। बट जब आप इस फिल्म के बारे में सोच रहे थे तो सबसे पहले ख्याल क्या है, और बजट और पैसे को लेकर क्या कुछ आपने सोचा कि किस स्तर तक जाना है, किस लेवल तक जाना? जी।
So, like I said in the beginning, I worked with Karthik from 2017. So, this film we started much before Hanuman was started. So, when he got this story and the span, we know it's a very big task. And with the depth of knowledge Karthik has on how to bring the best experience on the screen. And we worked with Teja when he came back from his, what do you call, like, he's worked as a kid, and then when he came as a young adult or a hero, we worked with him in Oh Baby in our banner. So we were very confident that we can do wonders. And so we didn't put any specific limit. So we spent as it's required for the movie to deliver. We worked for over 2 years, and we got the best.
Thank you so much, sir. We're taking one last question, please, ladies and gentlemen. जी। आप पूछिए सर, आप पूछ लीजिए। Don't worry, sir ने बोला है, let's wait, we'll take questions, don't worry.
The benchmark for this film is Bahubali. How much pressure you had before producing it, and how much pressure you gave them? Yes.
Ma'am, you can never compare one film to the other. Every film has its own journey. And I think everyone on this illustrious platform will tell you that Rajamouli sir, for us, is he's like literally the benchmark of great cinema of India. We are all humble students wanting to learn from the master. He's a master. You cannot ever dare to compare to Rajamouli sir's vision. I wouldn't, and I'm sure everyone who has tremendous respect for him in their hearts will say the same thing. Here I want to say, it is a totally different experience that you're going to have when you watch Mirai. It's very, very different from anything you have seen. The narrative, the combination of deep-rooted civilization itihas blended with modern-day storytelling and the exceptional emotion that flows within it. It's a totally different experience, and I wouldn't compare this to anything you've ever seen anywhere.
तेजा लास्ट क्वेश्चन मेरा आपसे है. तेजा हियर, भावना शर्मा नव भारत.
मैम बोलिए.
हाँ, ये कोइंसिडेंस है कि आपका हनुमान में भी ये कैरेक्टर है कि आप बहुत एक कॉमन मैन है और उसके बाद आप सुपर हीरो बन जाते हैं, आपको अपनी शक्तियों के बारे में नहीं पता। इस फिल्म में भी थोड़ा सा जो हमने देखा वो, और लोगों ने उसको बहुत पसंद किया था हनुमान को, और आई थिंक इसको भी पसंद करेंगे। मैं बोल रही हूँ कि ये कोइंसिडेंस है, पर क्या आपको ये नहीं लगता है कि जिस तरह से जो स्पाइडरमैन है हमारे, जिनको लोग इतना पसंद करते हैं इसलिए क्योंकि वो खुद अपनी शक्तियों को नहीं जानता था, वो फैक्टर बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट रोल प्ले करेगा आपके इस कैरेक्टर के लिए?
It's like you're the chosen one for this, of course. पहले हनुमान में हमने आपको देखा, फिर यहाँ पर देखा. So, are you the chosen one is what she's trying to?
Ma'am, I strongly believe that there is a higher power that is guiding me. Otherwise, these kind of stories wouldn't come to me. And from where I have started, I come from no background. Even in Telugu, I come from no background. From where I have started, I was going from office to office for my break or for an opportunity. And in the same banner, after growing up, I've been a child actor, but after growing up, in the same banner, in Vishwasa's banner, I have done a character in their film. From there, I became a lead actor, and now sitting here today, along with Karan sir, addressing national media, it is not a small thing for me, ma'am. There is definitely universe helping me. Bhagwan ka krupa mujh par hai. I believe it, ma'am. Yeah.
Hi Teja, I'm supporting this question also. I'm supporting these questions. I have seen that you are very religious person. Always you do religious in your films and all.
Sorry, ma'am.
You are very religious person. Each and every films in between religious and all.
Are you a religious person in life? No. Religious.
Religion in every film you're saying. Okay.
Yes.
Ma'am, I don't understand this question. Nobody asks anybody who does the same love story again and again and again. Why are you asking when we are trying to show our dharma? We have to be proud of it. This is our land.
Sure, we are proud.
This is our,
Yeah,
no
sure.
ma'am. Ma'am, what I would like to say is, these are our morals, and moreover, it's whatever you have seen the trailer, it's a 3-minute 10 seconds trailer. उसमें 10 सेकंड का हमारा भगवान श्री राम का दर्शन है. उसके लिए आप पूछ रहे रिलीजियन वगैरह, ये फिल्म में फैंटेसी है, एक्शन है, एडवेंचर है, एंड हनुमान भी, उसमें भी वो एक सुपर हीरो कहानी है, उसमें एक सिस्टर है, उसका एक अलग इमोशन है. लेकिन जो भी हम वी आर ट्राइंग टू ब्रिंग आउट a small moral or a connection with Itihasas in a very cool way. You have to be happy that for the younger generation we are trying to tell our history in a very cool way, ma'am. I hope
I think he said it all, ladies and gentlemen. We'll just wrap this up. Bully. Did you take any kind of liberty, sir? Because you are the DOP and the director of this film. Was it like easy for you? Because, you know,
it took
both
2 years of my time, but
Definitely easy. I don't have to tell it to another person, so it's easier only for me. So I don't think.
one-man army doing
Sir,
it.
they call it cinematic liberty for a reason. Sir, we have taken liberties in films that don't have VFX and AI also. We have taken many liberties in our life. And right now we are taking the liberty of saying goodbye to all of you.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
very much.
Thank you so
very,
much,
very
Karan
much.
sir. That's all we have for you, ladies and gentlemen. I know. This conversation just can go on.
just
and
a
on.
second, I would like to add one small thing. Special thanks to Apurva sir, thanks to Bhumika ji, thanks to the whole Dharma team who have been supporting us in bringing this film to national audience. I will never forget what you are doing for us, sir. Karan sir, thanks a lot, sir. Thank you.
Sir.
Thank you to all the media who have come here to bless us. Mirai is releasing on September 12th in theaters. Bring your families. We will promise you a big world. Thank you.
Thank you so much. धर्मा की बात है, धर्मा प्रोडक्शंस तो होना ही था इसका हिस्सा. Thank you, Karan sir. Thank you, Apurva sir. Teja bhai, thank you. Karthik sir, Vishwa sir, thank you so much for being here. We'll do this one big picture. Thank you. We'll do a solo. Thank you. वाइब चला सकते हैं कि बड़ा अच्छा था यार, वो वाइब चला दो हल्के हल्के, है ना?
बेबी वाइब है रे, दोनों के बीच में वाइब है रे। वाइब है बेबी वाइब है रे।
अरे नहीं सर, सामने देखिए। बस बस सर, सेंटर सेंटर यही है सर, लोग सेंटर। अपूर्व सर सेंटर।
ओ भाई
आइए सर, एक बार रुकिए
भाई, सर आ रहा है भाई
करण सर।
तेजा सर, सर नाइस लुक
सेंटर। सामने देखिए सेंटर में करण सर, लुक सेंटर। सेंटर सर, सेंटर।
हाँ तो फॉलो पर करो ना, इस तरह दिख ही नहीं रहा। सोलो
सर, सोलो
हाँ लेकिन
सर का पहले। हाँ पहला करण सर। करण सर सेंटर। करण सर यहाँ पे।
सर यार आपका सर आ रहा है,
सामने देखिए, इधर देख रहे हैं ना।
करण सर, यहाँ पे देखिए
करण सर, लोग सेंटर।
करण सर नूडल्स, करण सर सेंटर, सर नूडल्स।
अपूर्व सर,
करण सर नूडल्स।
अपूर्व सर सेंटर। हाँ बस
तो सेंटर। सर लेफ्ट में। थैंक यू
सर, सामने
थैंक यू तो
आइए। तेजा सर आइए। हाँ तेजा सर रुकिए।
बात भाई इधर,
बात भाई लोग सेंटर सेंटर।
सर सेंटर।
नेक्स्ट आइए।
थैंक यू ब्रदर,
अरे डायरेक्टर के साथ, सर के साथ। आइए बहुत अच्छा। बस सेंटर सेंटर सेंटर। हाँ बस सेंटर। सर सामने देखिए, सर सामने लोग सेंटर सेंटर। सर यहाँ पे।
थैंक यू सो मच सर, थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सर।
रुको नहीं, आ जा। लड़की नहीं क्या? आइए सर,
आइए ना सर, आइए सर, शर्माने का नहीं
सर। इधर सामने देखिए, सर सामने। सर इधर लुक मुझे। सेंटर सेंटर सेंटर। थैंक यू।
पिक्चर विद हिम नो।
हाँ बस यहाँ रुक जाइए।
थैंक यू, थैंक्स।
बस चल, हो गया।